Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kesha, and I don't know if you've noticed, but I have this wig on my head. I'm loving life. I've recently started to love wigs again, and I ordered one from AliExpress and I can't wait for it to come and show you. I'm going to be doing a full review on that one because I think it's going to look good, but fingers crossed. So today I'm going to be looking at the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Alyssa collaboration, and guys, just the box is enough to get you excited. Now I can't wait to get into this because this is the PR package, so there are some exclusive things in here. Looking at the PR package, I'm going to be showing you a demo on how some of the colors work, and then I'm going to be reviewing it at the end. So if you're new to my page, make sure you subscribe because you're going to be seeing a lot more videos like this. And yeah, let's get into this video. I'm really excited to get into the palette, but I want to take some time to appreciate this mirror that this comes with. It says Beast on it. Now, I don't know whether that's like a slogan of hers or something, but this mirror is beautiful. It's literally like encrusted with these pink glitter beads or whatever. Then it comes with this amazing fan that says Beast on it as well. Woo! And now for the palette. I feel like Anastasia Beverly Hills has been very polished, very refined, very, you know, luxurious. And I feel like with Alyssa Edwards, they're going down like a kind of quirky avenue. Diva, drag queen, and it's not really anything I've seen from Anastasia Beverly Hills before. So I'm really intrigued to see these colors. Now I've seen them online, but seeing them like in a video and in person is obviously going to be a lot different. So there are some beautiful colors in this. Yes, I know that black is going to be black because all Anastasia blacks are just so dark. Now, I saw a video where she explained what all of these colors mean to her, and it's really sweet actually. So I'll leave the link to that one in the description box below so you can see more about her talking about the palette. I love some of these colors. I mean, there's obviously purple and pinks are her favorite color. There's literally like 4 purples in here. Love that there's a yellow in there. Love that hot pink. My eyes personally are really attracted to these kind of hot pink colors. But when you feel like you want to go for a basic bitch day, she's also got like this really nice natural tones, gold eyeshadow, a brown, a black. To be honest, it might be one of my favorite Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes in terms of the color range. So my favorite is actually Modern Renaissance, which has a few like pinks and stuff in there. But I feel like with this one, it's literally got everything. It's got a full spectrum of colors, but then it still has this really nice natural kind of color tone as well. So I'm going to create a look with this, and then I'm going to come back and review the palette for you. Okay, so first of all, I just put concealer all over my lids. I always use concealer. I actually realized at the end of this video that the PR package comes with an eye primer, but I'll use it in another video. So I just put that all over my lids. So I started with Brick Road, which is this really beautiful yellow color. At first, I really didn't think that this color was actually gonna even show up on my skin, but then when I started building it a bit more, whew, the pigments really came out, guys. So I just put this on my brow bone and then blended it out. I really felt like because of the colors in this palette, I wanted to be as creative as possible. So I then went in with this beautiful pink color. This one is called Texas Made. And I just put this in the corner of my lid and worked it through my crease, and then made sure I was really blending it out. I really wanted to see how nicely these colors would blend in together as well. So I really worked that brush in to make sure that pink was blending in with the yellow. This is literally one of my favorite colors in the palette, by the way. Then I used my concealer again, and I just kind of created a little bit of a cut crease. I wasn't really going for a cut crease vibe, but I just wanted to get rid of that pink color at the front there. And then I just used my brush to make sure that the pink could be seen from the front as well. Then I took that lovely white color, it's called Headliner, and I just put that all over on top of that concealer that I created. So then I took this Huda Beauty liquid eyeshadow, just because I've seen this look done so many times, guys. You know, when they put the glitter on the crease, and I'd never actually done anything like that before, so I really wanted to test it out, and it worked beautifully. Then I took the color Believe, which is a beautiful purpley color, And guys, this purple pigments are so strong. I actually created an eyeliner with it, just using a pencil brush and a blending brush, which I think is pretty impressive. It shows how strong those pigments are. Then I whacked on my lashes. These are by House of Lashes in the style Stella. Then, once I put my foundation and everything on, I put the blue colour Dream It, and I put that in my waterline. This colour actually came out a bit more purpley than I thought it would. I thought it'd be a lot brighter, but it looked great nonetheless. And put on the Coconut Matte Lipstick from the new Anastasia lipstick range. And there you have it, guys. I was really happy with how this turned out. This eye look is bomb. Wow, 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 wow. I mean, where do we start with this palette? I already obviously discussed with you how I feel about the colors. Like, the colors themselves are just stunning. I love the colors. I love like how it forced me to get really creative, as you can see. Like, I've got a wedding coming up, and I think I'm going to take this palette with me, because I know that on nights where maybe I want something a bit more colorful, I can use this section here. And then on the nights where I want to look like really classy for this wedding, I can just wear these kind of colors. I don't want to say it's better than my Modern Renaissance. I feel like Modern Renaissance over this one has the packaging, because it has the suede packaging and it makes me feel like it's a really luxurious palette. This one's a bit more on the fun side of things, but I mean, the quality of the pigments, you saw, right? Like, I, you know, put the yellow on, and there was a certain time when I was like, that yellow ain't gonna show up for no one. But I can still see it now. I can still see it. It's like the colors really beautifully blended together. I just love how everything looks. There's nothing I don't like about this palette. I think it's a great palette. Anastasia never lets me down. I also used this highlighter. So this highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills is new. It's not like new, but it's new. And this one's really great as well. So let me know what you think about this palette. Let me know if you're as excited as I am, because right now I'm gassed, like gas mark 7 on the oven right now, like fully gassed. I think it looks beautiful. I think it looks amazing. I'm not just saying that. I mean, you can see for yourself, guys. You got eyes, haven't ya? So thanks so much for watching this video. Really hope you enjoyed it as much as I did creating this look. Like, guys, I spent like a full hour and a half just creating this look. And not because it takes me that long to do my makeup, just because I was just enjoying like putting on the shadows, just how nicely they went on. Like, it was just so effortless, and I just enjoyed playing with the colors. Do you know what I mean? Like, there's some looks that I'll do where it's just browns and whatever, and it's just boring, and I'm like, nah. But I really enjoyed, this whole like moment. So thanks so much, Alyssa Edwards. Killing it, girl boss. And thanks Anastasia Beverly Hills for just making this a thing. Put your thoughts in the description box below. If you do buy it and you try it out, let me know. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.